Hey guys, welcome to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'll be doing a side-by-side physical comparison between the Taichi, Astrox Taichi RX 5800 XT. Okay, so very special card, very powerful, uh, very easily overclockable, and you can even go beyond the recommended limits on this card very easily. Today I've just done an unboxing on this one. Okay, so what this is, it's an AIB. I know it looks very referencey, but the reference one of this is a lot smaller. Okay, it's not this big, so, and it's not metal like this, so plastic, metal. Okay, anyways, this is SFX Speedster Mach 319, and this is an RX 5900 XT. Okay, and this is the black edition. Okay, so a bit overclocked than the normal Speedster. Okay, both AIBs. All right, so let's do a side by side. Straight off, they're mammoth cards, guys. Look at them, they're huge. And I have a sneaky suspicion that the Taichi, no, actually, no, the Speedster is a tiny bit bigger. All right, now the fans on these, very, this is very normal. Okay, this is very blasé, whereas this is very loud. Okay, you've got a transparent fan here with RGB lighting, which changes, you can control it. Okay, very cool. Okay, you've got this kind of stuff that turns on, the RGB running through here as well. Okay, so that's the top end of the graphic card, both graphic cards, both of them. Okay, I hope this doesn't fall. Okay, so very simple. You get a bit of lighting through here, nothing too special, whereas this guy just lights up all over the place. Okay, other than that, the heatsink is massive as well. The thing that you guys will notice is, if you guys are buying either of these cards, is 2-pin. Okay, so both are 8-pin. Actually, in my unboxing I said 6 and an 8, but both are 8-pin, whereas here you get 3 8-pins, so that's a bit of a pain in the backside. Okay, other than that, you get a BIOS switch here. Let's see what they're for. Okay, so that's for the, so let me, okay, so this is Astrox back as well. Well, let's talk about that when we flip it over. Actually, let's just flip it over. How about that? All right, now let's go with the Taichi, which is a very nice card. Let's go with this. Okay, I've got them upside down. All right, let's turn them back around. Very heavy, guys. Okay, so straight off, in the back of both the cards, okay, you'll have little switches as well. So this one's very nicely has the signs here. You can't miss it. All right, so you've got the performance and quiet mode in the from the BIOS, and you've got the LED on and off, and actually I've got it off. So back is very nice metal plating on the back of this card, so it's not by far a cheap card. Okay, very cool, the Taichi stuff going on here. Very nice logo. Again, this lights up as well. On the other hand, very solid as well. Okay, so very mature, but no RGBs in the back. Okay, guys, but you get all of these like little cool nuts and bolts on it. Okay, let me see where the button went for this guy. So you've just got that switch there. All right, and it doesn't specify what it is. So anyways, I'll be telling you guys that in my review of that card. Yeah, other than that, let's look at here. So this is where you can actually see the heatsink. So heatsink is going up till there. The heatsink on this is about the same, just a tiny bit bigger on the SFX Speedster. Okay, so a tiny bit bigger from this end, that end. And now Taichi hasn't done ASRock hasn't done a Taichi 5900 XT yet, so, and probably when they do it I wouldn't be able to one, afford it, or get my hands on it. Okay, so that's the bottom side of it. Let's look at it here. So now looking on this, very different design, guys. Look at that. Okay, so this reminds me of a, one of those Star Wars stormtroopers, that kind of helmet, kind of eyes and stuff. And this is very different. Look at all those nuts and bolts just to make it look different. Okay, very neat. Both of them are very, very expensive. Okay, this cost me $1,800. This is $2,000 on my left hand side. So together they're worth nearly $4,000. Okay, so you get both of them got 2 display ports and 1 HDMI and 1 USB-C, which is very nice to see. All right, other than that, that's basically it, guys. That's the side-by-side comparison of these cards. Realistically, like, there's not much to see on the cards other than the physicalities and things like that. They've ended up upside down again, but let me know in the comments what you guys think, and what do you think? The Taichi really impressed me. If you guys want to check it out, I've included a link of that in the end of this video, and also in the comments of my review of the Taichi. I've run it, I think I used 3 or 4 games on it to run the Taichi up against a reference 5900 XT, reference 3090, 3080 reference, and a reference 5800, no XT. Okay, so I've run it, and it's, look at it, how impressive this is. So I'm looking forward what it does and what's the difference between it. What's the $200 difference? However, guys, having said that, because of the markets how it is at the moment, this shouldn't have cost more than $1,500 here in Australia. Now, this is in Australia. I don't want somebody to have a bit of a smart aleck comment in, oh, have you paid $1,800 for it? Well, it's Australian dollars, So yeah, it's even 1,800 is a lot. That's in American, but that's what I could get it for. 2,000 for that one. So yeah, all right, so if you guys want to support this channel and make sure that I keep getting these, I've got Patreon as well, and I'm trying to get Float Plane at the moment, so you guys can do that. And if you guys can't do that monetary wise, I've got like even small pledges like $3 a month. But if you guys can't do that, a subscription would really, really help out. Like and watch the videos, whatever you like, Thanks, and do comment. Let me know what you think and what you'd like to see happen with these cards, what games you guys want me to see, test them out and things like that. I'll be putting them up against each other. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye. All right, guys, so if you want to see more videos and support the channel and you like this video, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Also check out my Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon accounts. That helps a lot if you follow them and contribute there. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.